So here's how to create a short video using AI. In this video, I will guide you through the step-by-step process on how to create a short video using different AI platforms together. And the platform we'll be using for this video is Invideo AI. And by the way, if you want to try out Invideo AI for free, click on my link down in the description. So before we start creating the video, let's generate a script for our short video. I used ChatGPT to create the script. Here's how you can do it. Search for ChatGPT on your browser. After that, click on the first link in the results. And this will take you to the official website, which is chatgpt.com. So in here, we will use ChatGPT to create our script for the video. You will get to see a lot of options offered by ChatGPT. Now, for the purpose of this video, go over to the left panel and click on the option Explore GPTs. And once you're here, you will notice there is a vast range of GPTs available. If you scroll through, you will notice different GPTs for different purposes, and even big names like Canva, Consensus, and a lot more. So you can search and find the one that you want. But for this video, we will scroll up to the top and then click on the search bar and search for Invideo. Then, you will get some suggestions to choose from. From here, you need to click on the option that says Video Maker. So once it opens, if you scroll through, you will get to see some information. And also, as you can see, this Video Maker is by Invideo AI. Now scroll down to the bottom and click on Start Chat. And as you can see, we are now in the Video Maker chat in ChatGPT. Here, all you need to do is type in your prompts in detail like you would on ChatGPT. For my video, I'm typing in the prompt, make a 30-second video of making a burger. This way, just type in whatever prompt that you want. And once you're done typing, click on this arrow on the right. Now, you just need to wait for ChatGPT or Video Maker to generate your script. And at first, it will be giving some ideas. And as you can see, here is an idea 1 and then idea 2. You can see additional details about each idea, and that too ready with the voiceover script. Now, just thoroughly go through each idea and then choose whichever one that you like. But if you still think that the idea is not good enough, just try putting in a different prompt, making it clear and descriptive. So this time, I will just modify my previous prompt and then press enter. And as you can see, it started generating the script right away. And once it's done writing the script, it will ask you if you want to proceed with this script to create the video. So if you're satisfied, just type in yes and press enter. And once you press enter, it will start the process of generating your video. Then you will get a prompt like this. So just click on confirm to get a link to Invideo. So once you click confirm, it will start generating a link to Invideo. So once it's ready, all you need to do is click on this text right here. You will get something similar to this. And as you can see, we are now redirected to Invideo. Now just select your workspace and click on continue. After that, just wait for the contents to load up. Now, this will take some time to analyze all the information and start creating your video. So you have to be patient and wait it out. So once your video is done generating, you need to wait a few more seconds for it to get loaded up. And once it's done, just play the video to preview it.
People all over the world are making burgers their own way. Some start with a sizzling patty on the grill, adding fresh lettuce and juicy tomatoes. Others toast their buns just right, layering on cheese and special sauces. From classic styles to gourmet creations, every burger tells a story. How do you make yours?
So as you can see, Invideo just made us a really good video. You can check scene by scene and also the script to make sure everything goes smoothly and makes sense. Now I'll click on this plus icon on the top. And as you can see, there are multiple options you can choose from. Just set them according to your preference and click on Continue. You can set your audience, look and feel of the video, and also the platform that you will be using it on. So, once you select them, click on Continue. This will let Invideo create the best video for your purpose. If you still want to make changes to your video, here is the option where you can type in more prompts. As you can see, it says give me a command to edit the video. You can click here and type in whatever edits you like. In order to demonstrate, I'll click here and type in change the background music, and after that, click on generate over here. Now, just give it some time to process and integrate your new command into the video. It might take some time, so be patient. And once it's done, you can preview it again. Just click on the play button right here.
People all over the world are making burgers their own way. Some start with a sizzling patty on the grill, adding fresh lettuce and juicy tomatoes. Others toast their buns just right, layering on cheese and special sauces. From classic styles to gourmet creations, every burger tells a story. How do you make yours?
So after checking it out, if you still want to make changes, you can add additional commands. So I will type in a new command, change the voice into an American accent female. And once you're done typing in your command, click on Generate once again. And then just wait for your new command to get generated. So once it's done generating, just play the video and check it out. So here, as you can see, even after going through the command, the voice in the video has not changed. So I will click on Edit and check out if there are any other options to do so. But as you can see, there are no options.
People all over the world are making burgers their own way. Some start with a sizzling patty on the grill, adding...
Sometimes, some of the commands may not show at first due to some glitches on the website. So I will try to edit my input and try to generate the edit once more. Now, let's just wait and check out the result. So now that the video is ready, I will give it one more listen.
People all over the world are making burgers their own way. Some start with a sizzling patty on the grill, adding...
As you can see, it shows a check mark on the command, which means it has been applied, but it does not reflect in the video yet. So this time, I will try putting in a different command and generate another video. This time, let's try and make the patty even more juicy. Maybe that will work and we will get a better footage. So I will type in my new command and click on Generate. So once it's done, let's play it and check it out.
Every burger tells a story. How do you make yours? People all over the world are making burgers their own way. Some start with a sizzling patty on the grill, adding fresh lettuce and juicy tomatoes. Others toast their buns just right, layering on cheese and special sauces.
So as you can see, even after trying a different command, it is not being reflected in the actual video. Sometimes it might happen due to your internet connection or because of a glitch in the website. So if the auto generation is having issues, you can try adding clips manually. For that, click on Edit. After that, you'll get to see the search bar over here. You can upload your own media or click on the search bar and search for stock footage. So here I will type in and search for burger patty. Now wait for it to load up, and once it does, you will get a lot of content to choose from. As you can see, there are a lot of good quality content you can choose from. Just click on whichever that you want and select Replace. Then click on Apply Changes, and your existing footage will be replaced with this one. So even after replacing the footage, as you can see, we're still encountering the glitch. So in order to fix that, what you can try is reloading your web page. That should fix your problem. So click on the reload button of your website and wait for the results. And now that the video has loaded up, let's play it and give it a listen. And as you can see, the voice has been changed. So if you're facing the same problem, just reload the page to begin with. And that is exactly how you can create a short video using AI. Don't forget to click my link in the description if you want to try out Invideo for free. Please subscribe to the channel and like the video if this helps you out.